Hey guys, welcome to today's video. So today I thought it would be fun to do a clean with me video. So today is Friday. That's the typical day when I do my cleaning. So I'm going to start by washing my sheets and my clothes. That's normally the first thing that I do just to get it out of the way. So like I said, first I'm going to wash my sheets. Then I am going to, go straight to the bathroom. So normally I would either clean my room first or clean my bathroom first. I kind of alternate on which one I do first. So today I'm actually going to be cleaning my bathroom first. So I'm going to start by cleaning my bathroom sink. So I'm going to kind of organize a little bit and kind of remove stuff from my countertops on the sink, and then I'm going to be using my Trader Joe's all-purpose cleaner to wipe down my entire countertops on the sink and also the sink itself. And then I also like to wipe down my mirrors as well. So I have two mirrors in my bathroom. I have a wardrobe in my bathroom that has a mirror on it, and then I have the mirror that's right above my sink that I'm going to wipe down with just some glass cleaner. And then, so my bathtub has been getting so gross, so I'm going to be doing a deep clean of my bathtub. Now let's move straight into cleaning my room. So the first thing I'm going to do is clean all of the countertops and the tables. So I have my makeup table, but I like to do my editing. I like to obviously do my morning skincare and makeup on this table. So I'm going to wipe that down, and I'm also going to wipe down my mirror that I have on my makeup table. And then I'm going to go and wipe down my table in the middle of my room. So what I like to do, especially for my makeup table and my other table, I like to first use the all-purpose cleaner to clean the tables, and then I go in with a dry paper towel just to dry it immediately, since my tables are wood, obviously, and I do like to keep it very, very clean. And then I'm going to move into cleaning my stove. So I didn't actually use my microwave a lot this week, so I'm not going to actually clean my microwave, but I am going to clean my stove because I did a little bit more cooking on my stove. So I'm just going to take off I don't know what they're called, like the black things that are on the stove, and I'm just going to clean under it. And I also do clean those grills, I don't know what they're called, as well as the surface of the stove. Okay, next it's time to wipe down the countertops by my kitchen sink. So I actually have a lot of dishes, so I'm actually going to move to the other part of my countertop where I like to, where I do my most of my prepping for when I'm cooking. So I'm just going to wipe that down. Lastly, I am going to start cleaning my dishes. I didn't have too many. I did have a lot, but I didn't have like overload of dishes. I'm just going to clean all the dishes, and then I didn't also show this in the video, but I did also, after I cleaned my dishes, I also wiped down my entire sink after I was done and the dishes were put away. So that completes my clean with me video. I hope you all enjoyed today's video, and see you guys in the next one. Bye!